These are all 5 cars of the set. Hi, welcome back to CarsAddiction.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ryan and we share car-related videos every week. Today we're going to be unboxing this premium set of Hot Wheels, special thanks to DMN Toys. If you're in Malta and you're looking for Hot Wheels, mainlines, premiums, whatever, look up these guys. I'll provide a link in the description below. Now, what we have here is part of the car culture set. It's actually called the Run, and it contains 5 cars in total, 6 if you count the chase car. Now, this box says it contains 10 cars, but actually there's 2 sets of the same cars. Now, let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Look at all those cars. Let's go through them. So, here's the whole set from 1 to 5. We'll start with the Mazda RX-7. Now, this is a premium set. We have rear riders over here. Got the tail lights, the bumper reflector. We got the license plate. This one says twinning, so I guess it is twin turbo in real life. This one has a body kit. You can see the lip over there, and this has a diffuser at the back with what seems to be non-standard exhaust. And those are Volk Racing GTC wheels. Cool. The artwork of this whole set is just amazing. So, next in line is the 300ZX. Again, okay, this has a black underneath. Tail lights, this one says 300ZX. Okay, Volk Racing T37 wheels. All the details are there, including the same headlights that are used on the Lamborghini Diablo, if you didn't know yet. This is a Targa model. Cool. And that amazing artwork again. Go to the Toyota Starlet. Cool artwork. It has the white body kit on it. All the details. The paint is amazing. The camera is not doing it justice. We can see the flake. Those are work equipped 01 wheels, and it's amazing. Like, you know, they even have left the bumper unpainted in black with the indicator. This is truly a premium set. You won't be disappointed if you buy one. Next in list, we have a Subaru Impreza. This has a fairly stock body, but that orange is not stock. It's aftermarket orange. The Impreza 22B came in that color. But what it does have is a carbon hood. The mirrors are in black as well and non-standard. That is cool. Now, these wheels are Volk Racing CE28. Okay, another Mazda RX-7, but the second generation, the FC, with a Pandem kit. You can see there's a white body Pandem kit on it. Arches are flared from stock. They even went to the detail putting the flare onto the door, which is what happens in real life. And even the fuel cap gets embedded like that. Got the whale tail. All the details. Even look at the tail light, the detail of those 2 circles in each tail light. It's amazing. This one's color coded from underneath. You got some fog lights, turbo scoop. Cool. Now, this is 5 out of 5. If you had found the chase in the box, which unfortunately we didn't, we'll have a black FC RX-7, and the number would have been 0 to 5. Hope you really enjoyed watching this video and unboxing this. If you'd like to see more, make sure you subscribe to CarsAddiction.com. Thank you for watching. Take care.